for high GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Aramede Bremo. And it is when you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, over subscribe. The way I say, over click the subscribe button. Now, I barely notification. We understand video for Frubia be uploaded when the first person I was a becan a video. I feel we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Nafi, Shema, or for Sona, when you be here now, and someone so. Gana be Muhanum. I feel Yabura and Sema Abeto Yaponoso. When you're busy, or say, you busy, Kwame Asare or being aka Aplus is one a member of parliament for Gomwa Central. What they and Sema to ya. A Ningina Ahmed Suale would who and I would be able to say, or Magana Police Service for 48 hours, or Mama Bonte Abema Data, or Noa Bebuni Pakronidin. Now, what you say, a high profile minister from previous government, Akufo Addo and a Bob Palmer when you could do a segment. No, they could boss them. Or they threat Emma Ghana Police Service, so Mamma Botin with my update. And yes, I would know about the Pakronidi. Now, Yambura, story Nimuna, you details, a Kwame Aplus, Eddie to details of the story. Now, a story, a Ghana web, Eddie Beto Abonting, and I watch say, or say a high profile minister from the previous government contracted assailants to kill Ahmed Suale, Aplus. Now, a kind story, no say, member of parliament for Gomwa Central, Kwame Asare, or being commonly known as Aplus, has threatened to reveal the identity of the person he claims is behind the death of investigative journalist Ahmed Suale. Aplus, Eddie Abetuja say, Wobo any pakra when he did a yes, Bonifusemi, when he cookung Ahmed Suale, or did the pakroni di Abetuja. Now, what you say? Or say the lawmaker disclosed through a Facebook post that he had provided the name of the individual allegedly responsible for Suale's murder when he was invited by the Criminal Investigative Department in 2024. Mbeka Aplus Edibetu just say wouldn't nipa when you cook Suale Edan Sembibre Eddie and when a ma police for Ghana Police Service for Ato and Safreno now what they or say a yo archer say wo koho a kokadi or no so with him efahu. Then when I watch say or no or the dia with the pakro this headman obo said in a Ghana Police Service. Now it was also say he alleged in the post that the person behind the murder was a high profile minister from the previous Nana Dodankwa led administration. Aplus has served notice that he will be forced to expose the individual through his Facebook post account if the police fail to update Ghanaians within 48 hours or if his attempt to summon the police leadership before parliament proves unsuccessful. And what they say, or boy, Ghana Police Service for no water. To say, one of my body update or no within 48 hours, or more 48 hours. And yes, I know about the body pakrundi. And I say, yes, some on the bar a parliament 9 year, which say, or no about bonti now a boy a year in pakruni. Now, you share a year in Facebook post to your share some Aplus Eddie to Jao. I say last year I was invited to the CID headquarters to provide information regarding the murder of Ahmed Suale. She said last year, 2024, no police for Tunsa frame say me my information fire Ahmed Suale wono. During the meeting, I identified a high-profile minister from the previous government who was allegedly involved in contracting assailants to carry out the crime. What I say, high-profile minister be a Akufo Addo benimu or no the bunker for power money when he could do a yes Jumai. I also disclosed my source, a highly credible one, in the presence of CID director. What baby call no nya sign for nina free hour say honor credible, highly credible. Or the in the presence of CID no this handsome win etuja. But say it is critical the CID updates the public on the progress of the investigation and indicate with justification whether additional time is required. Or just say yes, the phone when it's me Brano be Magana for update. Now just say when he Merswa when he Magana for or say at this point appears the matter has been sidelined. Or so already well can ask microphone per se 1 year then Kokwasa just say as someone want to Chenkura. If no update is provided within 48 hours, what it say or my update within 48 hours, they just say hey don't read your 913. I will invoke my authority as a member of parliament. As I also need to me a war, say, we member of parliament to formally summon the Ghana Police Service. I say, Betun Safre, Ghana Police Service for no to brief parliament on the case. Not just say, I wanted to me Abeka, one also one in Sema, a fire, yes, I Ahmed Suale, or say, Should that fail, I will utilize my Facebook and other social media platforms to update the nation or what I know about the matter, which shall include the name of the alleged perpetrator. Thank you, Kwame Asare Obin. Osisani mo nyina se ni nyina efilia na chese anye dwumadia na chese ono abeba ne Facebook and say other social media handles on na chese what this hanse wo nyina ba betudwa na wabodi pakura wo dis rukasem wo nyina wo de ni nyina betudwa we ni ensemo ye Kwame Asare Obin aka Aplus is a member of parliament for Gumua Central. Somewhere now what they abetudwa ye hwese ye Ghana Police Service for no so one be reacted to Sansabi. Na yemkotie Aplus abra obeka Sansim we 2024 de betudwa wo kire se wonim nipa ekun eye Hamme Suale we Aplus e kansim bebre na yemkotie ni nsem ni bia wo de tudwa efa eye Hamme Suale we no yentie ni nsem ni bi.
Me nipa okun Hamme Suale me do nyame mohwe mu yamo campaign me do nyame nyankopo me come me mama wo mo wiase nka every week me press conference kwa me sifa kan way back 2017 obianti asem na me kan yi na ye wadanfo bi owo apeteshi ba bi wo Roman Rage munim Azmera wudu Azmera wo be Tennessee Roman Rage shopping akenu wo Tennessee anu Azmera straight road in Manhattan, straight left her. I say, oh my block be or they were down for Bismarck or Petishiba Bisho, if we are only a coffee appetite near the Rasmera. What I say? Metiwan as if I can't buy or be bought ne got and answer. Metiwan or buy nothing cannot a you obia and can ya. But those days now, me no Jordan, once I may come and look at me, my name Jota and me jay. Those days na me no jot no me no tenase me ba ko na ma bo me jot so you there so me and you we are on that level what I say we ye nua pani me ye nua ketwa mteni you from 2017 besin there we me yen brief me to me friend oba ba me fie no ma friend say bedi Enti manya wo kwota wo me o chairman general na manya wo say wo hu Kwame Plus or one of sa boys no I am your ko me no what I say me ma ko university wa brochiri me ma no me wo mo te London wo mo ba Ghana wo mo plane ticket for some year $20,000 business class which one hit through men hu me say one of sa boys bi na no that be men yes we sa problem me start a campaign me ko ye 1 year consistent me ko ye yibima me nsiro bi esika consistent 1 year. So don't you see, show me respect, I'll show you respect. What I say? When you show me respect, I'll show you respect. Who be shia me wo hono? Asama obe kan say, wo na wo tata aban no. Tio, so if I can be shia me Roman Rage or Bismarck no. Wo na wo tata aban na wo kan abuni asensu kan government appointees won asem so mo ye corrupt name. Ghana hana wo betumi aye saade no eyoman bi so anko mu ekun dadaada Ghana hana wo betumi aye saade no say eyoman bi so anka yekun dadaada enti for so many years ye tata atamils ye tata na owu ye kura na ye bema papa na rest in peace kura na ye tata no eno de na eyoman bi so me yenkun yen fa ne sai normal Mahama bedi president from 20 years tatans and they now support it. But me ankasa me nuanom boys ye nya ntokwa ye nyina e party fo ye nya ntokwa wo be ka kire me say your man bi so anka ekume de dada. But wo dey say utumi tran peace and all the ultimate kan NDC asem won. Your man bi so de anka wo de anka ye nkun won. As me nua pani yen say bia wo nua bia wo nim ni say o ma fa wo nua wo me no like I know you know me ye nyina tena ase. Before me see Amadia shopping center, never a wine shop you want to near boy a got. But catch them because of politics in Tino, and then you will be near Dintino, no interest in Tino. Now, what by about power in Mobia and Casabio make a sank or so maybe and come to support to say, I mean, can't when people express themselves, I will see you come, which was also a senior journalist. And no mami, and no afi na time na so say de bia medina tem won. And ya by force who did my 10 years ago na mankasa. First 10 years later, Miss me do attempt. And ya by force who did me do be. Because I would do my attempt to do attempt na kasa hey. yente obidie no esa me die no yente me pese hoye din silence in court na ma come die na kire wo ti asema ma to so greatness vacancy me kan si so say enye se bia Kwame Plus on your bodanfu. Just that Ghana for performer nyame my yew but ye din me ya de enye but men kasa e wa ban adwumam e wo hospital wo baby a nurse nim say de no ye no bi bewu but emfa ne ho driver ni drive onum say with baby on fa ne ho boga me de me respond it yen twa anu nyina nkogu dana me papa send the voice note no na ose ne mamienu omo nkasa se eye me ya me hu say by 1 year time na mewu na mesram se me mamienu mo nkasa e ha me na me kan say man me masami a wo kan de me nti ase eye no kure se me ne menua ye nkasa but me mete one na kofo from social media say kohwe unua no edi watem social media but oye menua ketwa me ntumi responde me ntumi ndi na tembi enti me kokan bia na metutu so atem di odidi me na say na me ne NPP aban ku e na say but ono ya akwara me na me ye pani enti me nsoso enti no menua oye ya but oye menua ina oye menua me dono ba won ma di ntana menua no yesa na ma me efi akoto na hye nechi efi akoto obegu he efi akoto won oye devil nti se wo hu se me ye bibi ena te se na me kan so create na me kan se fa no enye na semu efi akoto me mini no fucking who efi akoto you have to be grateful and cause wo denyane a no why ye nuane no why it's not their break kwame wo he beje o say ye okoto say ye kan Aplus asempe o si munjai enye wo na obekwa kwahye me nua chi so oni ni nua embe ko me papa ebewu na ne ra ho me papa obewu no na ne ra ho because of wo mama efi akoto we say all those years man ka hwe Kwame Plus me wa botre too much we ka say Kwame Plus nya botre no na che so shey me wa botre I can endure me ma ye din mo wa wi ase bibia me endurance level no with different level voltage no was so me to me endure sa but that me bie no fuse bia be blow cause heat no be bad voltage no e wo gigaboom and I'm see differently. And then Nyame ado me nyame nua back. Me nua de if you akoto me don't know. Na mom hwe na wo ye obi a enka won ka Kwame Plus asem. Won ka Kwame Plus asem in the sense that who ko twitwa wo naked photo de ko send e Maxwell. Enya me anka wo nim gu ase. Why can't people be grateful? Enka kuma problem be na nya Kwame Plus na solve. Obetu ba social media ba be dede yeye ba mu mpanifo no munya problem e be frɛ Kwame because when in the way I met here it takes a lot for me to react mu mpanifo no munya problem no so e be frɛ Kwame uko twitwa wo photo wo na wo kofa wo phone wo pese wo di obi kunu by force wo twa wo naked photo e de send nipa no send na nipa na yere na kuta photo no ade chinye na be issue na me nam ha na me pacho na me yesay I ensure that my before koto wunya problem na ban na ba foforo me bu koto dwa me pacho munya botro ebegu Akufo Addo anim ase say my ya na me twitwa je wo na me yufim ade chinye wo twa wo ho wo high professor mo be di matem and that's what I start an opa we was start bi mu on and opa we so denya ne wo be san be start bi mu on problem by na bank kroma bisa gabby bisa Bediatuo bisa NDC boys no mi bisa ya yira koku bisa Ferguson me na me franka chom say me sremo say wa broni asem aye kan Akufo Addo ye papa mamo ye ne say me a very reasonable guy sa wa broni me ne kasa sa wa broni me ne kasa chen obia me ne say wa broni ye din komo sa mumbisa sa wa broni say how many times me pa ne chaw say wa men ye say why me de mano anye say bia say wa ye beji ske bia mo na say me de mano chaw pa say one me pacho, say one man yes say Akufo Addo ye papa, even though I have issues with Akufo Addo is still our father, and I don't think it's right to do this. Me pass a wabro nature na momo didi matem, but na me pacho on one side, me say wa every day me see so constantly. Don't do any, it's okay. I was even when you people were fighting with me, ask a wabro that who was talking to her. Asiafo mwa mo behwe mo ya campaign ma Bawumia mi enwini no mo focus no wo Kwame Aplus me nipa okun amesuale o me do nyame mo hwe mo ya mo campaign me do nyame nyankopo me come me mama wo mo wiase nka every week mo press conference. Focus on your campaign. My best friend, one of my best friends in this country that nobody knows is NAPO. Listen carefully. One of my best friends that nobody knows in this country, NAPO. One of my best friends in this country that nobody knows. One of the people that I respect. One of the people that we chat. We never have done public. I've never gone to his house. One of my best is NAPO. When we program on Sunday, NAPO told me that your program Kumasi no waba. Me and NAPO we are on a different level. NAPO senka me yeba and me the secret side check. And so I want the best for him. But me menso song was ya senso. Muncheni ye. NPP communication as one spend a lot of time. When I asked Dr. Bawumia, NAPO told him that I will bring Aplus on the campaign. Go and ask him. We're asked to whether I will do it or not. It's a different matter altogether. But don't try me. Don't try me. I said me nipa okun Ahmed Suale. I know the person who allegedly killed Ahmed Suale. And focus on your campaign if you like. Call police. Go and call Aplus. I will go and write a statement and they will make it public. Can't you just focus and do your government and me start some year campaign maybe so busy with Sika. Come me plus your guy man. Me more there because I know how to do my things. I will fight with you, and the people who are going to vote for me, they know that this guy is the fighter. This guy will fight for us. This guy will make sure that this guy is the guy that we are looking for. They know that this guy we are looking for Obia Wabodam, somebody who is not unconventional person. They know down there nobody can beat me in that election. And if you like, come and do your things. You go a bit over. We are part one. Men fan show team no be ase okostande MP no nkrofo no omo botai omo ye omo na minia no na omo anya hweam te se omo pebodanfo te se America for Donald Trump no we are asesa. The people are looking for somebody with a different mindset. They are looking for somebody who thinks in a certain way. The people have seen a different person. So me, I'm not scared though, and me, I will not change. And the reason why I will be about social media, Kwame, me sponsor our campaign, me campaign, I'm thinking differently. It's man find show with him, man, my name, muda. Say mo best spend more time. Me manum kalipo ne Hogan anum kalipo. Who my dear make my yafi. Focus. Your campaign manager is who? Opariansa. Go and ask him. I didn't say somebody. Kwame, we have to sit down and talk. Your for na green. Multi-form one and Jimmy. Me no me and we will be as here. No me and we will be as no be problem forever and ever. No we will be as no be problem forever. Opa did matem. Opa and family whom me I don't care. Me, if you like, say whatever you want to say. Me, I don't care. But if you do like you can threaten me, like you can, don't try. I bet trigger. I bet trigger want to mean cancer no. And now we don't say you me what power, only power be me. O pese woni me din koma hon emfes kenimba men fo bi o powerful o pa ko hwe Prince Ama efie kuma Prince Ama kwa ni constituency na Cape Takrade, Dr. Prince Ama, Deputy Minister for Housing. Opa Akufo Biti so no. Opa for no bra. And I ko boys ni anka man je wo se wo pa I would tell you I would untumi ya hwe. Oba den. And I mean untumi ya hwe. Se mo pentokwa. I love it. I will fight. I want to fight. Look, I'm looking for a reason. NAPO is my friend. How can I campaign against him? If you give me reason, I'll do it. Wallahi tala. If you give me reason, I'm looking for a reason to do. But just that Dr. Bawumia me ferry no. Now I'm can't say more interim. I'm if I could almost ask them now. Wo can say wo ko target for say omo ko didi me hear them. I'm sure I did. Me, I can never lie in this life. I didn't be train one. It's not right. This is me. Mary, I did not try. It's not right. No, we delete, So all those who are commenting, they can comment their comments. I don't know them. I don't have anything. I've never spoken. I've not done anything for them, so they can comment their comments. Oh no, by including the queen, they be catching and say, "Queen, I walk on." What you say different, but the meaning is different. Because when you speak, people can interpret it the way they want. So don't speak and expect people to understand it the way you want. So I say obi di nkwasi asa. Robert me akase asafun si. Eno kra no sanwe oba eno ye better. Asafun akwei di asafun. Ba unya akase osan kwasi asa. Me so. Whether it's my wife, whether it's my daughter, whether it's my best friend, I will not accept it. Because me too, I understand it in some way, into one year. But my mother could and can be what I say. And yes, I want to wo be share posts. I come and propose to munko didi atem. Hey, men my yasemu. Kwasia. Women no start with me on Grand Kroma. Men my yasemu last warning. Men try. And I'm with it. When I was NPP, focus on your campaign. Munko communication meeting, NPP communication, Munko meeting. Can say, let us focus. I will. Hey, I will. You see, I told that NAPO is my friend. I will fight against his campaign. Me, I don't care who. But who to me, yeah, mami. Obey them.
No police invite me, mami, koya na. You politician komo kakra.
Koya no idea na see here. Wako catch rom do ku no.
You started preliminary issues no I deal with. And you know, ochina ebesan to aso.
Eti enkomo no ahase between oni police for.
Exactly.
Now be ka de oku no akere wo mo de.
Nyame me susu se. Nyama se. And you know, also police investigation. Well, maybe I say La Paz, more than La Paz.
More than so ha.
I have some more than La Paz.
Say Angel that's so ha. More than so.
And the infant say, Ujina Angel building and so. And when we say we are the end to the police have investigation. No, we can say no, we can say police. Who are maybe a shot had read and the teacher say your teacher then who the wow. I'm an investigation on me. They do measure them so I no shot had read no on a young one. On the I didn't see a no Chumuka information on my no and to me why investigation. And I say, oh yeah, that's information no yeah a bit why you know. Maybe I'm only giving them information I mean
so when himself you nanu will be economy we na obi ne konya tipaye wo kwa me asem ye wo na ayame ni afra me ne say wonua no wo se wonim de oku ameso na mo send video ni mam no mo send ma me na wo kasa ne ye me nim de oku ameso ale o na me ka me bia mba ye press conference now we a student of law when you make emphatic statement say me nim enemy susu ensonso de mu de so video na why social media be na Dr. Kweku Annan atamodo abetna be awete no ayo abobi say we ko video na ube hu say na me student of law and design review Asa. I'm gasm Joe.
Who was also if you are community street and I don't get on your show, no. There.
Why blast? Miss, you're a student of law, Jansen Murina Woodino. O Castle Windy Manasu say, Navi, yes, so far no, police, Okoyano, or more Puso B, and there was a mutual understanding between the two.
Oh, they were excited. Also, they are also police Biano were interested in finding solution to a high profile case here to say, and they were excited. Say, will be somebody like me, give them on with the information that I also have. But there were preconditions and there were some preliminary issues they also dealing with. And we went and looked at all of those, and then Wednesday, Kwame, me fact some check. Me the be because me any pabonini says I know who dia me peneta. Asoma work on me catch room and the Kwame release this statement. Me pese and Kofu be present at the meeting, and one of the conditions was that nipa me gini di Ghana hire Dr. Dampare or the papa it me pese or tina meeting mu bi because on one control only meeting mu asami and that was one of the conditions they have to bring Dr. Dampare. And I'm going to issue a statement of nipa. They have to be present at the meeting because I know that they have the information that I have and they have to work on it. I'm going to call some people who are top security people or institutions. I'm going to also invite some ministers. They have to be there at the meeting.
It's war my police in a condition precedent and son Albeka, the work and waka.
It's not even like after they have agreed that they are going to agree on that. Then Wednesday we will go to finish this whole issue.
Dampare free one as you have so they should be
there. But you'll be saying a question.
What's it? What catch them said Dampare must be present. And other people being a mibusa say material when say other people be here now person we are present.
Oh, and those are mechanics of the council and the issue statement because we are just
statement to be anywhere chance me busu asem na wo ansam ya. Maybe no dey come also said krata be ya.
We are white and pay so who be ask me here no for asem free. Me who just since and me interview. Obeda Martin what one why about you.
Me that was said dey na me dey was here.
Now with the whole Ghana be from my interview. Angel pay who's a guy?
I'm body needs to say apart from a Dampare, one way be an abyss or more. Eba, autocrat, so more maka. Now we are the make me so as a babu. About who can some police protection?
We are very ungrateful, man.
Midfroco, who can some police protection? And also can condition one.
Wednesday in the room in about no worries. I mean, I'm can't say sure we mount exclusive on a more serious note. On a more speaking. We in 2022 or 2021, I move back me too sure. Police phobia ekukun for 5 ewo gupon fete. Eba news mu say nkopo bi kokun fete oheminim so be kai asem na
I think you mentioned it on our platform. Exactly. So I followed the story now.
Good. Man, I knew I had information on the whole issue, how it unfolded, everything that happened. I had to give the information to police. Made the information to my police, police headquarters. They could do my office was salam down less than 10 minutes. Now deep one and a friend will phone so say, oh, now we'll call police headquarters for Masam. And for me to give another information to police, you agree that it shouldn't be just like the first one. To be because I didn't know what some now can say that you can't be that. A younger you say yes street you was to be. If the younger son near ding. And for this time around, because of the people involved and the nature of this way, I have to ensure, say, I am safe and well, and then I can do support the police to also do their investigation. It's a very sensitive matter, and I'll make sure say my grant to interview is all from here.
Who ye busy ana? What the sensitive matter? We will be more interested. So acquire won't be more interest. Kwame
Ye.
Who ye busy?
My busy debut.
Wo ye MP no be dimeboa.
Oh, of course, I'm going to.
Na minim se obedi so and my support is obedi. Ese hunu bo ho a wo di ajai.
But you know your wine.
Jai, minchirim jai.
And we are your wine.
Hey, tie me wi a me amefrɛ. Ba me sinse hunu bo ho ajai.
You minia wait to me for a match, but I say.
Yen share weekend.
I want him fa.
Emusame.
Baby Adani share no. Baby Adani share no. Ewade mabu mi madu me ye maloki.
Kwame plus onya correct bye.
Ahmed Suale's issue has been public for a very long time. I don't think this is the first time it's going public. I don't think that the people who are involved know that they are who I'm referring to. It will come as a surprise to who are involved. If they have an issue with the matter that I'm going to that I've given to the police, they can sue me for defamation. This is a democracy. I understand the law too well. God said, "Love your neighbor as yourself, not more than yourself." So I'm seeking my interest. So I had to come and tell police the conditions under which I'm coming back to give them another information, especially when I've given them information before, and then the suspects or the suspects got wind of the whole information, and to the extent that the suspects called me and said, "We hear you have given such information on us." It's about some information that I want to give the police to assist them in investigating the unfortunate passing of or murder of our brother Ahmed Suale, and that is why I was invited here. I think once you have some information that will assist the police, they have to listen to whatever you have got. They're looking for leads, so of course I came here to give them what information I have.
But you were very categorical when you made that statement in the live video. Did you give them the actual person who committed this heinous crime that we've been investigating for years?
I think that this matter is a very sensitive one. Everything that the police need to know is what the police will have to know. If I wanted to give information to the public, I would have just given information to the public. But it is in our best interest to ensure that this time around, if we are giving them leads and we are supporting them to investigate the matter and investigate it properly, and so we don't have to be doing anything that will hinder the investigation or in any way. We came here. We have told the police what we have to tell them. We are coming back here on Wednesday. That is what I can tell you. I'll be back here on Wednesday, but there are some bottlenecks that we have to deal with. And so Wednesday I'll be here to continue the process. It is just information that I'm giving them. Everybody who has information must also come and give it to the police. I can't tell you how soon. If I tell you how soon, it's like taking somebody's money and telling the person that you give the person a visa when you are not, you don't work in an embassy as a, how do you call it, an entry clearance officer. And so I can't tell you how soon. In fact, what I would do and what I would do for my image, my reputation, and for the people who trust me is that I'm going to follow. I'm going to ensure that this thing is, we are going to follow this lead till the police tell us that it ended nowhere, or it is not something that can assist them in their investigation. In the event where the police is not doing what we expect them to do, which of course under the IGP, Dr. Dampare, I'm very confident. I'm 200% confident that something positive will come out of this. If it doesn't happen like that, we will know what to do. But I'm very sure that Dr. Dampare will handle this.
So, plus, please, why now? And then do you believe so strongly personally that this information you've given them will do something with regards to...
If you ask me why now, because there were some conditions that have to be satisfied. I've given police information that at the end of the day, the police informed the people who are involved in that heinous crime. And so it is very important that I also seek my interest. God said, love your neighbor as yourself, not more than yourself. So I'm seeking my interest. So I had to come and tell police the conditions under which I'm coming back to give them another information, especially when I've given them information before, and then the suspects or the suspects got wind of the whole information, and to the extent that the suspects called me and said, "We hear you have given such information on us." So this time around, we had to ensure that I'm also okay. I should be guaranteed that it is not going to happen again. There should be assurance that this is not going to happen again, and that's exactly what we have done.
But some people believe that going public, would make the people also run away.
If they would, Ahmed Suale's issue has been public for a very long time. I don't think this is the first time it's going public. I don't think that the people who are involved know that they are who I'm referring to. It will come as a surprise to who are involved. If they have an issue with the matter that I'm going to that I've given to the police, they can sue me for defamation. This is a democracy. I understand the law too well, and so I don't think that this is something for somebody to run away. When the police think that it is credible information, they'll contact them.
But these people that you are alleging, are they people that we know, or people that we don't know?
I don't know all the people you know, so I know that they are people.
But do we know them?
I don't know all the people you know, so I can't tell if you know or you don't know.
But there were some names that were bundled around. Are these the same people?
You are trying to act you are trying to act smart when you were dealing with a 47-year-old. You are my small brother. You want to act smart. I've given you information I want to give you. I mean, I'm sure that when I started standing in front of cameras, maybe you're in classes or something. I'm too smart for this.
Yo, Ebusa for winning and some year A+. Kwame Asare Obings is one of the member of parliament for Gumua Central. I think in the Suale who are what day a year threat Ghana Police Service or within 48 hours when Emraboti Ebema Ghana for update. And yes, I will know about Babonting Abe Boni Pakura with the A surgery. A+ in Sem do Anara and Atuja. Because so when you subscribe to channel area, Bomodia say over subscribe. So I had the latest hot and qua enamedy brevo. Now while like video and give us a thumbs up. Now share my wo for so now when you be here now and somewhere koso Ghana be muhadum. Also bet me otchere wadwen afaye so when you know comment box mu mubati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.